Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure content pruning with Ahrefs to regain traffic. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Ahrefs account. Navigate to the Site Explorer tool from the dashboard. Enter your website URL in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the Pages tab to see a list of all indexed pages on your site. Sort the pages by organic traffic to identify those that are generating little to no visits. Take note of the pages with high impressions but low click-through rates. Analyze these pages to determine if they are outdated, irrelevant, or underperforming. Next, check the keyword rankings for these low-performing pages. Identify keywords that no longer align with your current content strategy. Decide whether to update, consolidate, or remove these pages. For pages you plan to update, outline the changes needed to improve relevance and SEO performance. If consolidating, choose a primary page to retain ranking and redirect underperforming pages to it. In the case of removing content, ensure you set up proper 301 redirects to guide users and search engines to relevant pages. Use the Content Gap tool in Ahrefs to discover additional topics that could improve traffic. Consider creating new content targeting those missed opportunities. After implementing changes, monitor the performance using the Rank Tracker tool. Continue to assess and refine your content strategy based on traffic and performance metrics. This process will help you regain lost traffic and improve your site's overall SEO effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.